I got a 2007 Toyota Prius. This cluster miles per hour screen sometimes doesn't work. Sometimes nothing turns on it. I'm going to show you how to replace the capacitor. And it's really easy. The hardest part is just taking it out of the vehicle. But let me show you how to do it once you get it out of the vehicle. So the transistor that you need to replace is this one right here. And this is our replacement one right here. Yeah, I'll link in the description where to get one of these. They're very cheap. They cost pennies, so that's not the problem. The problem is just getting it removed. So looking at it, you can see that it is welded on the board right here, and then on the other side as well. So you're going to heat that up and remove it. And I'm just going to get a flathead screwdriver, just kind of pry it off a little bit. So I get that one off. There we go. So if you look at it, you're going to see that the top piece is positive, this bottom piece is negative. So this piece right here, you're going to have a negative on that side and a positive on this side. So you want to make sure you put those in correctly. So the positive is going to be right there, negative on the bottom. Okay. So again, we got the negative on the bottom. I'm just going to bend it a little bit so it fits better. Okay, what I'm going to do to make it a little bit easier is put some more solder on each of these. So negatives on the bottom. Okay, so that's all you have to do. You see it's good and soldered now. And I'm bending it down just so it stays out of the way. So that's all you got to do, and that'll fix your problem of this piece, the screen right here, not lighting up or intermittently lighting up. Again, I'm going to link the part in the description, this one right here. And yeah, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching.